Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to this session. Today we discuss about pancreas and their hormones. The pancreas lies below and beneath the stomach. It is a large compound gland and it has internal similarity to those of the salivary gland. The pancreas, besides of its digestive function, it secretes two major hormones, namely insulin and glucagon, both of which are crucial for the regulation of glucose, lipid and proteins. Besides this, pancreas also secretes other hormones such as amylin, somatostatin and pancreatic polypeptide, but their functions are not well established. The pancreas has two major types of tissues. One is acini and another is islets of Langerhans of pancreas. The acini secretes digestive juice to the duodenum and the islets of Langerhans secrete the hormones, mainly insulin and glucagon, directly into the blood. The islets of Langerhans, they constitute the middle part of the pancreas. Each pancreas has 1 to 2 millions of islet of Langerhans and each of their diameter is 0.3 millimeter and they organized along the small blood vessel into which its cells secrete their secretions. There are three types of cell in the islet of Langerhans. Their names are alpha cell, beta cell and delta cell. These cells differ or distinguish from one another by their morphological and staining characteristics. Among these three types of cell, the beta cells are the major cells. That means their population is more than any other type of cell in the islets of Langerhans. The beta cell constitute 60% of total mass of the islets of Langerhans, and these cells secrete insulin and amylin. Amylin is a hormone that is secreted along with insulin, but its action is not well established. The alpha cell constitute 25% of the total mass of the islet of Langerhans and it secretes glucagon. The delta cell constitute 10% of the total mass of islet of Langerhans and they secrete somatostatin. Besides these three types of cell, there is also another cell type in a small number and they secrete a hormone, namely pancreatic polypeptide, and the name of these cells are PP cell. Close interrelations among these cells of islets of Langerhans establish cell-to-cell communication and direct control of the secretion of one type of hormone to the another type of hormone. For instances, insulin inhibit glucagon secretion, amylin inhibit insulin secretion and somatostatin inhibit both the secretion of insulin and glucagon. This is all about pancreas and their secretions. Thank you all.